again.
Stuck. Yan, okay.
Okay. New. Okay. Remove this first. Take the whole thing off. Just pull. No more twisting, no need. Just
Pull lang, pull.
Just pull. Ito, same as this.
Pareho
May
lang.
2 guide buttons siya. So, installing it, you should follow the guide buttons as well. Okay, we'll install this na muna.
What do you call that, brother?
The
Housing.
the housing, the sleeve.
Okay, sleeve.
Pasok natin yung sleeve on the same mark where the stock bulb came from. Okay, pag na-clip na, nalagay na doon sa loob, mararamdaman mo naman kung saan nakalagay.
Kakapain mo lang.
Kakapain mo lang talaga siya. Okay. Ngayon, lock na natin siya ng dati niyang lock. Medyo takes a little elbow grease of this. Okay. Now, pag nakabit na siya, maramdaman mo naman I don't know if you could cast your video here just to let them see how it's been installed. Okay, installed like it's like the stock one. Okay, yeah, the clips there. Yeah, clip down. Okay, ngayon para alam mo na naka-mount talaga, a little help to this, like turning it. If it won't turn out, okay na yan. Okay. Yung bulb, just push in. That's all.
Kasi nandun na yung sleeve.
Nandun na yung sleeve. Yun ang pinaka-guide nun. Push in mo lang, pasok lang doon sa butas. Pagkas mo na lang dito. Okay. Now, ito, this one, the red one, of course, goes to the positive, which is this, the yellow wire. Goes to here. The black one, of course, the negative, goes there. Okay ka na.
Yung may negative yan.
Yan. Yung yellow is the positive, the negative, which is the ground.
Okay.
Yan yung black. Okay. Sige. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we're done.